Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to cover another lesson. غادي نحاولوا نكملوا السلسلة اللي بدينا English for beginners الإنجليزية للمبتدئين. And here we have the lesson number 2. Okay, غادي نحاولوا نشوفوا الدرس الثاني. كنا the first lesson was about how you are going to introduce yourself. يعني شفنا في الدرس الأول كيفاش يمكن لنا نقدموا راسنا، شنو هما expressions that you are going to use if you want to introduce yourself. And right now we are going to cover another thing. So we have here the verb to be. We are going to cover the verb to be. غادي نحاولوا نشوفوا الverb to be وكيفاش يمكن لنا conjugate verb to be, where we are going to use it. This is the most important verbs in English. هذا من أهم الأفعال اللي كنستعملوها في لونجلي. يعني ضروري خصنا نفهموا كيفاش يمكن لنا نستعملوه. يعني غنشوفوا كيفاش يمكن لنا نستعملوا الverb to be in English. This is the most important verb. يعني واحد الفعل اللي هو مهم كنستعملوه دائما. Okay, the most useful verb in English. So first of all, I'm going to give you an example. قبل نعطيكم واحد الأمثلة how we are going to make sentence with verb to be. يعني كيفاش يمكن لنا نستعمل واحد الجمل with the verb to be. Then we are going to cover how we are going to conjugate the verbs and plus exercises. غنشوفوا كيفاش يمكن لنا نكونجيغيو the verb to be plus some exercises. First, so here we have I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. So here we have the subject and we have the verb to be am. I am a teacher. Okay, I am a teacher. يعني أنا أستاذ. I am a teacher. Right. So we have here another example. Here we have the cat is at home. The cat is at home. Okay, the cat is at home. So we have the cat is the subject, and here we have the verb to be is at home. The cat is at home, right? يعني القطة في المنزل. Okay, the cat is at home. Another thing that we are going to cover right now is the verb to be in affirmative form. يعني كيفاش يمكن لنا نشوفوا verb to be in affirmative. Okay, like this example here. I am brave. I am brave. يعني أنا شجاع. I am brave. Right? So how we are going to conjugate verb to be? كيفاش يمكن لنا نconjugate verb to be? We have here two things. We are going to cover two things: long form and the short form. يعني كاين واحد الفورم اللي هو كيكون طويل، يعني كنكتبوا الverb to be كله، وكاين من بعد كان short form كتكون واحد abbreviation. Okay, and both of them are the same. مثلا عندنا هنايا I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, they are. Like here, you can see I am a teacher, or you can say I'm a teacher, right? You are my friend. You are my friend. Or you can say he is my brother. She is my sister. Okay, it is a cat, for example. You are, we are, they, and they are. It's how we are going to conjugate the verb to be in affirmative or affirmative form. In short form, you can say am, your, his, she's, it's, your, we're, there. Okay, you can say am, your, his, she's, it is, it's. Okay, your, and where, and there. Right? Okay, so we move to some examples. We have some examples concerning how we are going to make sentence in affirmative form with the verb to be. يعني كيفاش يمكن لنا ندير واحد الجمل affirmative form with the verb to be. For example, here we have I am a student. I am a student. Okay, you are a lawyer. You are a lawyer. يعني أنت محامي. Okay, you are a lawyer. Okay, so he is polite. He is polite. Okay, يعني هو مؤدب. He is polite. Okay, my book is on the bed. My book is on the bed. يعني الكتاب ديالي فوق الفراش. Okay, so my book is on the bed. We are okay doctors. We are doctors. You are famous. You are famous. And they are my best friend. We can say they're my best friends. Okay, they're my best friend. يعني هم الأصدقاء ديالي المفضلين. Okay, so here this is how we are going to use the verb to be in affirmative form. يعني هكذا كيمكن لنا فاش كيمكن لنا نشوفوا الverb to be in affirmative form. Good. So دابا نحاولوا we are going to move to negative. Okay, غادي نشوفوا كيفاش يمكن لنا نكونجيغو الverb to be في النيجاتيف form. For example, we have here. So we have, for example, in negative form, we are going to use the verb to be like this. I am not. You are not. We can see he is not. She is not. It is not. You are not. We are not. And they are not. This is a long form. In the short form, we can say I'm not. You aren't. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. You aren't. We aren't. And they aren't. Okay. So we have long form and the short form. For example, we have, so I'm not from Australia. I'm not from Australia. So I'm not يعني أنا لست من أستراليا. I'm not. يعني هنا كيكون عندنا واحد negative form يعني كنقول النفي. Okay. So we have, for example, in affirmative form, we can say I am a teacher. I am not a student. Okay. I'm a teacher. I'm not a student. You aren't afraid of the dark. You aren't afraid of the dark. يعني أنت لست خائفا من الظلام. Okay, you aren't afraid of the dark. He isn't very tall. He isn't very tall. We aren't cousins. We aren't cousins. We are brother and sister. We aren't cousins. We are brother and sister. The cat isn't allowed in the house. The cat isn't allowed in the house. Okay, يعني القطة ما يمكنش ليها تدخل المنزل. Okay, the cat isn't allowed in the house. This is how we are going to conjugate the verb to be in negative form. يعني هكذا كيمكن لنا نكونجيغو verb to be في negative form. We have aren't, isn't, we have aren't, isn't, I'm not, right? Good. Right now we move to the question form. Okay, دابا يمكن نشوفوا كيفاش يمكن لنا نديروا واحد الأسئلة بالverb to be. واحد questions with the verb to be. We have, for example, we have good. Okay, in the verb to be in question form we invert the subject and the verb. دائما في الverb to be ولا أي في ال questions with the verb to be كنحاولوا نديروا l'inversion. Okay, من الverb to be and the subject. For in affirmative form we say I am. ولكن في question we say am I, are you, is he or is she. Okay, is he, is it, are you, are we, are they. Okay, this is how we are going to conjugate verb to be in question form. Am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are you, are we, and are they. Short answers. عندنا short answers. مثلا كيسولك شي واحد كيقول لك are you a student? Yes, I am. ولا no, I am not. Okay, يقدر يسولك شي واحد يقول are you a student? واش انت تلميذ؟ تقول له yes. تقدر تقول له yes, I am. ولا no, I'm not. Okay, so is she your sister? Is she your sister? واش هي الأخت ديالك؟ تقول له yes, she is. or no, she isn't. Is he your brother? Okay, yes, he is. or no, he isn't. Okay, so is it a cat? Yes, it is. or no, it isn't. يعني انت كيفاش يمكن لك تجاوب؟ الا كنت كتجاوب مثلا positive answer تقول yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, she is. He is. Okay, yes, you are. We are. and they are. ولكن الا كانت الجمله فيها النفي يعني داك الشيء اللي سولك داك السيد يعني ماشي هو هذاك you are going to use I'm not ولا you aren't تستعمل yeah, no, she isn't ولا no, he isn't, no, it isn't, no, you aren't, we aren't, and no, they aren't. يعني هكذا كيمكن لنا حنايا نكونجيغيو الverb to be in negative form. Right, so right now we are going to cover an example. عندنا واحد example هنايا, some sentences. We have am I a doctor? am I a doctor? Okay. Is he from England? Is he from England? Is she a teacher? Are we happy? So here, what do you think that you notice? شنو كتلاحظوا هنايا؟ كتلاحظوا أن درنا l'inversion. We inverse. عندنا الverb to be first and the subject I. Am I a doctor? So is he from England? We have is and the subject and is she a teacher? Are we happy? Right? Good. Right now we move to another thing. Let's practice. So what's the correct of the form of the verb? دابا غادي نحاولوا نديروا some exercises in order to know how we are going to put the verb to be. نشوفوا واحد exercises باش نعرفوا كيفاش يمكن لينا نحطوا الverb to be in the correct place. So here we have she my mom. She my mom. Okay, so the answer is what? شنو نقدروا نديروا تما؟ نديروا am ولا is ولا are. Okay, so what is the best answer? The best answer is, so she is my mom. Okay, she is my mom. Okay, so we have she is my mom. Right? Good. So we have another example. Here we have, okay, my friend at school. My friend at school. My friend at school. So what are you going to put there? شنو غادي نديرو تما؟ شنو غنديرو نديرو is ولا am ولا are. Okay, my friend at school. My friend at school. So we are going to put my friend is at school. Okay, my friend is at school. Okay, so we have my friend. عندنا هنايا my friend يعني just one. يكون مثلا عندنا my friends plural. We are going to say my friends are at school. Okay, but we have just here just one. We can see my friend is at school. Good. So we move to another example. Here we have he happy today. He happy today. Okay, شنو كيبان لكم في هذا الفيس هذا؟ واش هو happy? No. Okay, he's not. He isn't happy. I give you the answer. عطيتكم مجاوب. يعني هو ماشي سعيد. يعني هنا خصني ندير واحد النفي. Okay, خصني ندير verb to be in negative form. We are going to say he isn't happy today. He isn't happy today. Right? يعني خصنا نديرو negative. He isn't happy today. Right? Good. We move to another example. We have they friends. They are sisters. They're friends. They friends. They are sisters. They friends. They are sisters. يعني أنا خصني ندير عاوتاني negative form. Okay, يعني هما ماشي friends, ماشي أصدقاء. ليسوا بأصدقاء. يعني هما they are sisters. The best answer خصني ندير هنايا they aren't friends. They are sisters. Okay, they aren't friends. They are sisters. Good. So we move to so they aren't friends. They are sisters. يعني هما ليسوا بأصدقاء. هما أخوات. Right. Good. So we move to the next part. We have your mom a doctor? Yes, she. So شنو كتلاحظوا عندنا هنايا؟ عندي واحد question form. عندي question form. يعني شنو ندير هنايا؟ So if you want to make question form, we inverse. دائما فاش كنبغيو نديرو واحد question form with the verb to be, we inverse. We can say is your mom a doctor? Yes, she is. Is your mom a doctor? Yes, she is. Okay, good. Is your mom a doctor? Yes, she is. Right? Good. Okay, يعني هنايا كانت عندنا واحد question، واحد السؤال، درنا هنا الverb to be هو الفيرست ومن بعد subject. Is your mom a doctor? Yes, she is. عندنا affirmative form. Yes, she is. Good. Last example we have here, we have like a dialogue. Okay, so مثلا هاد السيد كيسول هاد البنت على الايج ديالها. Okay, so هنايا عندنا you. Okay, another question. another question form. شنو نقدروا نديروا هنايا؟ قال لنا are you 10? Yes, I am. So are you 10? Yes, I am. Okay. Are you 10? Yes, I am. Right. Good. يعني هنايا عندنا واحد question form سولها واش هي عندها 10 years old. Okay. قلت ليه yes, yes I am. Okay. كون كانت عندنا no غنقولوا no I'm not. No I'm not. Okay. Good. Are you 10? Yes, I am. Are you 10? Yes, I am. Good. Okay, and this is how with the thing that we have right now. هادشي اللي عندنا اليوم. كما كتشوفوا الverb to be it's so easy to understand. خصكم تحفظوا الverb how we are going to conjugate it. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, and we are, you are, they are. اوكي كيفاش كنديروا في النيجاتيف فورم وكيفاش كنديروا في الكويشن فورم وتحاولوا تشوفوا هذوك الاكزامبلز اللي شفنا الامثله اللي شفنا قبيلات. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share. حاولوا تبارطاجيو الفيديو with your friends and try to leave comments and like and subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share the video. Thank you so much.